Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Google Sheets for data analysis, complete guide step by step clearly. Open Google Sheets in your browser. Create a new spreadsheet by clicking on blank. Rename your spreadsheet by clicking on Untitled Spreadsheet in the top left corner. Enter your data into the spreadsheet. Make sure each column has a clear header. Use appropriate data types for each column, such as text, numbers, or dates. Highlight your data range for easier reference. Select the data menu at the top. Choose Sort Range to organize your data. Decide whether you want to sort in ascending or descending order. To analyze your data visually, insert a chart. Click on the Insert menu and select Chart. In the chart editor, choose the chart type that best represents your data. Customize your chart by adjusting titles, labels, and colors. Add filters to your data by selecting the Data menu again. Click on Create a Filter. This will add drop-downs to your headers for easy filtering. Use conditional formatting to highlight key data points. Select the cells you want to format. Go to Format and then Conditional Formatting. Set your rules and choose the formatting style you prefer. To summarize your data, use pivot tables. Click on Data and select Pivot Table. Choose the data range for your pivot table. In the Pivot Table editor, select the rows and values you want to analyze. Create calculated fields if needed for deeper insights. Lastly, explore various functions for data analysis. Common functions include SUM, average, counta, and VLOOKUP. Practice using these functions in your data to gain actionable insights. Once you've configured everything, review your setup for any errors. Make adjustments as needed to ensure accuracy and clarity. Your Google Sheets is now ready for comprehensive data analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.